Hey everyone, I'm Jess. I am a paper planner of 4 years, but more than that, I am a mental health advocate, especially when it comes to the benefits of paper planning. And I'm excited to share some tips with you on today's episode of Save the Date. Let's go. So paper planning is very beneficial and therapeutic to your mental health. You want to know what else helps you reduce your stress and anxiety? Medjool dates. So grab your planner, grab your dates, because I'm going to show you how you can be able to incorporate these fiber-filled dates into your schedule to increase your physical and your mental health. There are so many health benefits to planning and dates, so let's combine the two. Let's get set up to plan my day. First off, we've got my planner, we've got my cat, and let's get our snack. Tip number 1. Planning helps keep you focused, so I know exactly what I need to do to focus on my goals. Tip 2, planning helps declutter my mind. I can be able to write down everything that I need to do, and I don't have to worry about trying to remember it anymore. Tip 3, my planner allows me to be creative. I love using stickers, and the more fun that my planner is, the more likely that I am to use it. I also have to make sure that I'm taking a break to include healthy eating, and that does include desserts using dates. So I am making a date and chocolate chip cookie dough. This is an edible cookie dough. You start by processing softened dates with almond butter and some vanilla to help sweeten it up. Did you know that dates are rich in fiber, so it regulates your blood sugar levels and stabilizes your energy levels? This is why it makes them such a good snack for during the day. After processing together those ingredients, I mix in chickpeas, oat flour, almond flour, and baking powder, and then I process that together. Dates provide vitamins such as potassium and magnesium that has been proven to support brain health. This means that just like my planners, it really helps reduce my anxiety. After processing it all together until it's really smooth, I like to put into a bowl where I can then fold in chocolate chips. You can also mix in some maple syrup if you want to sweeten it up a little bit. And this is a really good recipe to bake. It makes delicious baked cookies as well. So you can eat it as edible cookie dough or bake it in your oven. Try this recipe because I bet it'll be one of your favorites too. This was really fun, you guys. I had a great time doing this, and dates made healthy eating a breeze, and planning helps clear my mind. How do you plan healthy food into your daily routines? Go ahead and drop a comment below, and continue to follow the channel for more fresh tips on healthy eating with dates. Click to subscribe and check out the channel for more videos.